Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be looking at some unbranded earbuds with high quality. These are currently available on the marketplaces. I'll leave some links in the description so you can quickly and easily access them. Before we continue with the video, if you do enjoy our videos, please do hit that like button and please do subscribe to our channel. So let's have a look at them. So these earbuds, they don't come boxed. So they come in this plastic bag. And so we've got some extra earbuds here, and we've got a charging cable. So this is a USB cable. We've got the instruction manual, and we've got the earbuds over on this plastic protection film. So this is what the earbuds look like. Very, very neat. They look actually pretty nice, to be honest. So I just took it off the package, as you can see, and it started blinking. So it comes with this nice little docking for charging. So you've got the charging port right here, and then we've got the earbuds right over here. So I'm just gonna take one of them out. So this one that it's currently blinking, as you can see, it's trying to pair. We've got the charging connectors over there, as you can see, and on the charging dock you've got also the pin connectors over there so that you can charge your earbuds. They look pretty nice. They're very small. I'm going to give them a quick charge and we are going to set it up with a phone. They have a magnet. As soon as you just put your earbud on the charging dock, it just basically sticks to it and it stays there. They don't have indication here to which one is the right and which one is the left. I don't think that would be an issue. I'll be testing them out shortly. Yeah, very, very nice and neat. So the features that it has, basically, it's got a good bass, very easy to charge. They are sweat proof. They are one tap connectivity button, so it's perfect for jogging if you're going for a run, or just performing outdoor exercise or indoor exercise, whichever one you prefer. They're also sweat proof, which is awesome. So they feature Bluetooth. The Bluetooth version is 5.3, which is good. So the frequency range is 40 Hz to 20 kHz. Communication distance is about 10 meters. The size is 40 by 32 by 25. It weighs 35 grams. The battery life lasts between 2 to 4 hours, and the charging time is 1 hour to full. Sensitivity is 106 decibels. So we're gonna go ahead, give it a juice of charge, and then we're gonna pair it with an Android phone. So to charge the earphones, it's very, very simple. I'm just gonna use the provided USB cable to charge. Basically connect the charging dock onto the USB cable as such, and then I'm gonna use this power bank as an example, and I'm just going to connect to the power bank, and it's starting to charge. So they are both red now whilst charging. When they finish, they will turn blue. So I'm gonna give it a bit of juice and then we will come back to set it up with an Android phone. Okay, so I've given it a bit of juice now. I am going to disconnect the power bank, and they are both now flashing blue and red, so they are in pairing mode. So I'm just gonna get one of these out. Actually, I'll take both of them out. And I'm going to pair now with an Android phone. You can also pair it with an iPhone. And to pair it with an Android phone, I'm going to enable Bluetooth. So currently it's off. I'm going to turn it on. So Bluetooth is on, and I'm going to now open the Bluetooth. So it searches for devices that I want to pair, and the device that we want to pair to is the C1. So it's now searching for available devices, and it has found C1. So tap on C1 to pair. So this is now going to start pairing. Do you want to pair? And I'm going to allow access to contacts as well, whom You may not wish to do so, but I am doing so in my case. So it's now connected. As I've paired now, both of these devices are now connected. I am going to open something here on YouTube. Let's search here for one of my videos. And I'm just going to play something. And I can hear now the sound from the earbuds. So they are very sensitive. As I press on the button, it allows me to pause and to play. So currently it's playing and the sound quality is great. Yeah. So you only need to pair on one of these and they will both then play. So yeah, as I mentioned, they are sweat proof. You can take them out for a run. They're very sensitive as you touch here on the sides to pause, play, rewind. However, as I mentioned, they are good quality, and it's a matter as well of getting adjusted to them if you are out and about running, doing exercise, etc. This is it for today's video. Please do hit that thumbs up if you have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.